What's that?
That's my bat.
What's that?
That's my bat.
What happened?
I'm sick.
What happened?
I'm sick.
What did he say?
He said to calm down.
What did he say?
He said to calm down.
What time is it?
It's 8 o'clock.
What time is it?
It's 8 o'clock.
What did you buy?
I bought a cake.
What did you buy?
I bought a cake.
What do you want?
I want your bike.
What do you want?
I want your bike.
What's going on?
I'm watching something on my phone.
What's going on?
I'm watching something on my phone.
Where are we?
We're in the park.
Where are we?
We're in the park.
Where are you?
I'm at home.
Where are you?
I'm at home.
When can we meet?
We can meet now.
When can we meet?
We can meet now.
Why are you crying?
I'm lost.
Why are you crying?
I'm lost.
Who's he?
He's my teacher.
Who's he?
He's my teacher.
What's that?
That's a pencil.
What's that?
That's a pencil.
Which one do you want?
I want the red one.
Which one do you want?
I want the red one.
Whose is this?
It's mine.
Whose is this?
It's mine.
Where's my book?
It's in the library.
Where's my book?
It's in the library.
Where did you go?
I went to school.
Where did you go?
I went to school.
Whose guitar is this?
This is our guitar.
Whose guitar is this?
This is our guitar.
Whose idea was it?
It was my idea.
Whose idea was it?
It was my idea.
When will they get here?
They'll be here by 6 p.m.
When will they get here?
They'll be here by 6 p.m.
Who's he?
He's my dad.
Who's he?
He's my dad.
Who broke this?
My son broke it.
Who broke this?
My son broke it.
Whose friend is he?
He's my friend.
Whose friend is he?
He's my friend.
Which one's better?
This one's better.
Which one's better?
This one's better.
Which car is ours?
This one's our car.
Which car is ours?
This one's our car.
How would I know?
She told you.
How would I know?
She told you. How was your day?
It was good.
How was your day?
It was good. Why are you late?
I missed my bus.
Why are you late?
I missed my bus.
How many books are there?
There are 4 books.
How many books are there?
There are 4 books.
Who are they?
They're students.
Who are they?
They're students.